Hey everyone, I'm David, your friendly neighborhood financial nerd. What if you had the same financial power as a millionaire without having to have the millions? Would you create a real estate empire? Start a business? Invest in the stock market? Or even, buy the car and home of your dreams? With a high credit score, you'll be set up for financial success in your life. Banks will be your new best friends. You'll qualify for the lowest interest rates on credit cards and loans. And you'll qualify to borrow larger sums of money. Having the power to borrow money with a low interest rate is one of the best secrets to building wealth when you have next to nothing. Here's my 3 top tips to help you achieve a high credit score. Number 1. Keep your credit card utilization ratio between 5 and 15%. Card utilization is how much you charge to your cards each month, compared to your total available credit across all your cards. To figure out your average credit utilization rate, look at all your credit card statements from the last 12 months. Add the statement balances for each month across all your cards and divide by 12. That's how much credit you use, on average, each month. Now divide that number into your total available credit across all your cards, and you'll have your utilization ratio, which ideally you want between 5 and 15%. If limiting your spending between 5 and 15% doesn't fit into your lifestyle, the best way to reduce your utilization rate without cutting your spending is by requesting a credit line increase on one of your credit cards or by opening up a new card. By increasing your overall available credit, you will mathematically reduce your utilization ratio. But be careful, do not open too many new cards in a short period of time. This can have a negative impact on your credit score. Just keep this in mind. Credit application inquiries remain on your report for at least 2 years. Number 2. Pay your bills early or on time, every time. While paying off your card on time might seem obvious, the average consumer has 6 late payments on their credit history. Just one late payment can bring your score down by as much as 100 points and will remain on your credit history for a whopping 7 years. We're imperfect humans after all, so to avoid late payments, I recommend setting up automatic payments or payment alerts to notify you when your payment is almost due. Number 3. Keep your credit cards active and consider opening other lines of credit. Never close your credit cards, keep them active. A good trick is to have them automatically set up to pay a utility bill or strictly use them for gas and other small purchases. Additionally, you might want to consider other types of credit, such as a mortgage, car, or a student loan. These are other positive ways to show that you are a responsible person. Now that you have a good understanding on how you can achieve a high credit score, you need to also understand that your credit history is something you slowly build up over years. It will not happen overnight. Follow these 3 tips, and you will be on your way to achieving a high credit score and financial success. I'm David, until next time, stay sane.